Hi guys, it's Enchanted, and I'm super excited to share this video with you guys because I've worked super hard on it. It's taken me five days, but I've put all of my time into it. So yeah, it has been 218 days since I posted my last long form video. Like, by the time you guys are watching this, it's been like 218 days. So, I had to do this justice, and I am super proud of it. And I would be expecting more long form videos after this because I have storage now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's turn the page. Feel it? Yes? Ooh. That was fast. But good. I'm feeling quite restless and would like to spend 1 year away from the castle. The queen is being strict. Yes. Just go. I'll handle it. Thank you. I'll pay you back. Thank you. Bye. Call her down to your feet and break the wings higher than you.
You're a black crow in the shadows, bleak eyes far too clever. I'm a fly high, sharp mind, birds of a feather. You carry yourself like an old man, your pockets are filled with knives. Any fool would notice till they're begging for their lives. I won't resist the temptation, I'd fall with you through the dark. Turn my back for a second just to feel you step through the heart. You're a black crow in the shadows, bleak eyes far too clever. I'm a fly high, sharp mind, birds of a feather. You've got a mean grin, all teeth, stealing every treasure. I've got soft hands, a quick blade, birds of a feather.
Have you succeeded your duties? No, ma'am. Useless.
The alleyways are your playground, and money is your god. Can count on my fingers all the churches you've robbed. I won't resist the temptation, I bloody my hands for you. And if I stay long enough, you might bloody yours too. You're a black crow in the shadows, bleak eyes far too clever. I'm a fly high, sharp mind, birds of a feather. You've got a mean grin, all teeth, stealing every treasure. I've got soft hands, a quick blade, birds of a feather. And even when they catch us, cornered on all sides, we'll slip through the cracks up to the sky, up to the sky. They can throw us in the water, tie stones to our feet. We'll come crashing up, let our wings set us free. You're a black crow in the shadows, bleak eyes far too clever. I'm a fly high, sharp mind, birds of a feather. You've got a mean